In this tutorial, we'll learn how to import data from Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench into Oracle Analytics Cloud using the Analytics Cloud native connector. Using the Oracle Analytics Cloud connector, I can directly access, analyze, and visualize data prepared in AI Data Platform Workbench. To create the connection, I'll need an API key pair and a config file from the AI Data Platform Workbench. I'll begin by generating the API key from my Oracle Cloud Infrastructure or OCI profile page. From my OCI profile, I'll navigate to my Tokens and Keys page. I'll verify the fingerprint I will use for the connection has already been added. I'll make sure my public and private keys for authentication are saved in my Downloads directory. If I ever need new public and private keys, I can generate it right from the OCI Tokens and Keys page. To do this, I'll click Add API Key to create, download, and set a new fingerprint for the connector. Next, in AI Data Platform Workbench, I'll check to ensure the Spark compute cluster I want to use is in the active state before downloading connection details. Now, I'll open the Spark compute cluster connection details so I can download the Oracle Analytics Cloud connector as a config.json file. I'll rename the file to config_demo.json and save it to my Downloads folder. After downloading, I'll open the config file to check its information. I'll verify that the fingerprint in the config file matches the default fingerprint picked up from the API keys in my OCI profile Tokens and Keys. If they don't match, I'll update the config file with the correct fingerprint. I'll switch to the Oracle Analytics Cloud homepage, where I'll start creating a new connection. I'll name the connection, open and select the connection file and private key, and then select the AIDP Workbench catalog I want to access for this connection. Oracle Analytics Cloud connections to AI Data Platform Workbench instances only support one catalog per connection. The OAC connector allows me to connect to catalogs or tables that are managed by AI Data Platform Workbench. I'll make my selection and save. OAC confirms that the setup succeeded. To test my new connection, I'll create a dataset in OAC using the connection. Next, I'll expand the schemas, open the bronze and silver nodes, and add the relevant tables to my dataset. If I ever decide to remove a table, I'll do so before saving my dataset. I'll test the dataset by creating a workbook, then drag amount and amount category onto the canvas. The visualization shows the high, medium, and low categories. By importing data from AI Data Platform Workbench into OAC using the Analytics Cloud native connector, I can seamlessly bring curated, secure data into my analytics projects, enabling faster and easier sharing of insights across my business without manual exports or complex integrations. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench in the links below.